Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you the principal solution of an trigonometric equation. So what is trigonometric equation? An equation in which trigonometric terms are involved are called trigonometric equations. And when we are solving the trigonometric equation, there are two types of solutions we are going to write this. First is the same principal solution. Principal solution is the solution in which the angle, if I am taking x, the angle is always lies between 0 to 2 pi. So we can call this x is always greater than equals to 0 and less than 2 pi. Because this is only for sine and cos, because we know that the interval of sine and cos is only 2 pi. After 2 pi their values is going to repeat. I also shown this in a graph of sine and cos. Clear? So if all the values lies between 0 to 2 pi are the principal solutions of that trigonometric equation. And if I am talking about the general solution, then all the solutions which are possible, we can write these solutions in terms of n, where we are going this n is 0, 1, 2, 3 integer, set of integer. N belongs to set of integer. Clear? So here I am going to solve the question. The question is, find the principal solution of the equation sin x is equals to root 3 by 2. Principal solutions are more than one. Even general solutions are more than one. So in this question, you have to solve this in the interval 0 to 2 pi only, because in this question only the thing is principal solution. Find the principal solution. So when we are solving this, you should know the formulas which I have told you previously. Let me rewind once again. If I am going to write this, sine of pi by 2 minus x. Similarly, sine of pi by 2 plus x. Then cos pi minus x, cos pi, sorry, sine. Let me take the sine, then I am going to take the cos. Sine pi plus x, then sine 2 pi minus x, sine 2 pi plus x. What are the formula for these angles? We know that for pi by 2 this sine will become cos, only for pi by 2. Remaining this is only sine, sine, sine. In this way you should learn these formulas. Only this need of sine is here. So for sine, you know the quadrant. This is first quadrant where cos is positive, sine is positive. This is second quadrant where cos is negative and sine is positive. This is third where both are negative. In fourth quadrant, this is positive, cos is positive and sine is negative. So use this. This is 0 degree, this is pi by 2, it is pi, and this is 3 pi by 2 and then again 2 pi. Clear? So pi by 2 minus x, that means in first quadrant this is positive. Pi by 2 plus x, here this is pi by 2 plus, let me write one more for cos also, then we will start the solving our question. In this way you have to learn these formulas. This is remain cos, this will be cos, this is cos and this is cos. Only the pi by 2 will be sine, opposite. Now let me write the sign. This is pi by 2 minus x. Both are positive. Okay, positive. In second quadrant, pi by 2 plus x is in second quadrant. Here cos is negative. Okay, this is negative and this is positive. This is sine, it is positive. Now pi minus x, that is again in the second quadrant. This cos is negative and sine is positive. This is pi plus x, third quadrant, both are negative. Here 2 pi minus x in fourth quadrant. Cos is positive, this is positive, and sine is negative. And this 2 pi plus x is again in the first quadrant, both are positive. In fact, this is true for n also. If you put here n and n belongs to set of integer, then also it is true. Now let me solve this question. This is the question is sine of x is equals to root 3 by 2, and you have to find the principal solutions. So you have automatically knows that principal solutions are only the solution lies between 0 to 2 pi. Clear? So in that interval only you have to consider its values. So first question is sine of x is equals to root 3 by 2. So at what point this is root 3 by 2? This is pi by 3. That means 60. Okay, 60 degree. So let me write this is equals to sine x. Here I am going to write this sine pi by 3. Clear? Because sine pi by 3 is equals to root 3 by 2. This value I have written from the table, and I already told you how to draw the tables for the angles. Okay. Now using this you can get this x is equals to pi by 3. Clear? So one angle, one principal value we obtained. Now for the second principal value, you should go through this because here it is positive. So when is the sign positive? Let me see sign, okay, only sign. Now don't take this here. This is positive, this is negative, this is negative, and this is positive. So it is again same thing in the first quadrant which I have already obtained. This is pi by 3, which means 60 degree. So let me take this one, this formula, writing here sine pi plus x is equals to, wait, not is this one, positive, because the value is positive. This is pi minus x is equals to sine of x. Okay. Now let me solve this. This is sine pi minus x is equals to sine x. So here this is sine x. I'm going to write here sine of x is equals to sine pi by 3. So this can be written as sine pi minus pi by 3, because sine pi minus x is equals to sine of x. So we can write this. Now this is sine of x is equals to, solve this, this will be 2 pi by 3. So sine get cancelled with sine by taking an inverse of sine. So x will be 2 pi by 3. So this is the second principal value. Only two principal values can be possible for this, because if I will take any another formula, look at here, any another formula, if I am going to take this is negative, this is negative, but the value is positive. So don't take these two, and this is already not possible because the sign will get converted into cos, and this is same in the first quadrant. So don't consider this if you ask only principal values. Okay. Now let me take another question and solving the another question for negative value. If the value is negative, so you have given this 10x is equals to minus 1 by root 3. This is negative. Okay. So first of all, this 10x will be equals to minus, this is equals to 10 pi by 6. Okay. At pi by 6, 10 pi by 6, the value is 1 by root 3. 10 pi by 6 is equals to 1 by root 3. Okay, that means at 30 degree. Now let me use something, let me use here such type of formula which gives negative sign. So if you divide this, if you divide these two, you get the cot Here also you get cot. So you don't want cot, you only need tan. So let me divide this over this. Then this is sine upon cos, which is equals to tan. And positive negative will remain negative. Here, if I am going to take these two in division, then this negative negative cancel, so it will give positive 10. So I don't need positive, I need only negative. So let me take this thing, and you should take this thing also. Two things are possible. Here also you get the 10. So let me divide first this over this. So this will give 10 of pi minus x is equals to minus 10x. Clear? And let me divide this. So this is equals to 10. 2 pi minus x will be minus of 10x. So you should use these two formula here. So let me use first here. So we can write this 10 of pi minus pi by 6, removing this negative sign. Because 10 of x is equals to 10 of pi minus x. So this is 10 of x. Writing this 10 pi minus pi by pi minus x. So what it is? It is equals to 5 pi by 6. And LHS will be same 10x. Now 10 get cancelled, so x is equals to 5 pi by 6. This is the first principal value for 10x is equals to minus 1 by root 3. For the second principal value, I am going to write this question, that is 10x is equals to minus 1 by root 3. This is equals to 10x and this is 10 of pi by 6, because 10 pi by 6 is 1 by root 3. Now using the second formula, this one, minus of 10x is equals to 10 2 pi minus x. So I am writing this 10 2 pi minus x. X will be pi by 6. So this is equals to 10 of x. Now what it is? 10 of x is equals to, solve this. This is 11 pi by 6. 10 get cancelled. So this gives x is equals to 11 pi by 6. Okay. So these two things are possible by using these two formula. So these are the principal values for an equation 10x is equals to minus 1 by root 3. So solving this, you should know the formulas, then you can apply it and you can find the principal values easily. Clear? Thank you so much.